Hi guys, welcome. For today, I bring to you now a new Power Automate, and in this Power Automate RPI and Power Automate Desktop, we will, based in the script, okay, I will show you. We have a script in Excel file, okay. We have, for example, three main activities to GPT to give us the answer. So we will have a script here in Excel, okay, with some questions to GPT. After that, our RPA will take some screenshots, okay, to answer that questions. Okay, I will delete this and put the content in a file, a text file. Okay, so this is the main goal of our RPA, Robotic Process Automation. Okay, is read the Excel file and put the using the OCR, the optical recognizer charter, okay, and read the screenshots, take it, okay, and put it inside a text file. So the main activities of our flow are the ChatGPT URL, launch the Excel, read a worksheet, okay, iterate about all the lines or rows in the Excel, launch the Chrome instance, okay, wait for the window, fill the ChatGPT, take a screenshot to the web page, okay. To do that, we create a random text, okay, to have different names in the screenshot. And after that, we have a ransom flow, okay, read an image file, which validates if the folder exists, and read all the files in your folder. Okay, iterate again for all the files in the folder, extract the text with OCR, the Optical Character Recognizer, right? And write the text in the image, in JPEG image, to our text file. So let's see this run in our automation process. So let's do it. So first one, take a screenshot from the execution, the first one, right? Which is the same as we put in the script. For example, asking to ChatGPT to give us write a course template about 15 words maximum, right, guys? And the guy gave us that. So if I go here and show you the screenshot, okay, this is the first equation, right? So the second is the other expression, and the third is the other, right? If, for example, I go to the file and in the file text, I have all the information there. So now, to you, what I will do is so crazy thing like that. For example, imagine I will put another question here. For example, write about for example, or about nothing, a brief story, power automation. Okay, we must control our execution, 50 words maximum 2. Okay, power, we'll put business automation. Business automation. So I changed the script. Now is for iterations. Let's see our robot doing this. Make save. Okay, so now ask to the robot to execute again. That's it. He read the Excel, fill the Chat GPT with the first iteration. Okay, so now he has taken the snapshot, launch the second execution. Okay, focus the text file again. It's amazing, right, guys? Imagine this applied to invoice where you open a PDF invoice, retrieve the values, and put to your on-premises environment, or for example, put to a text file and make a parse or something like that, right? So now the third execution, and the last one, the fourth execution, we put it, right? So this is the last one. Write a chapter, brief story about business automation. Wow, so crazy, right, guys? If I now are processing all the files, right? And after that, the automation are completed. If we go to the screenshots, we have all the screenshots, right? And if we go to the file content again, for example, for the last one, business automation, write a brief story is here. And the others, we are this append. So bye bye, see you soon, and stay with us in the canteen.